Every investor I know has lost money, but that didn't stop them from investing. Experience is the best teacher, and I have over 30 years of it. I've been in hundreds of transactions over the years, negotiating business and real estate transactions. Just because you invest doesn't mean you're an investor. Giving your money to someone else and hoping they grow it isn't investing, it's hoping. As a licensed real estate broker, I've seen several hundred, even thousands of properties. I've invested in condos, multifamily, and single-family residences. The experience I have gotten from losing money and making it taught me that I need to answer 3 basic questions when I look at a piece of property to determine whether or not to invest in it. 1 is, what is the value of the asset? 2, what is the projected return? And 3, what's the level of risk? In one day, I'll share the tools and strategies I use to answer these 3 questions. The first class is, how much is that property really worth? And the second is, how to measure ROI and risk. Both are Trekker Proof and CE. We're inviting you to attend whether you're licensed and need CE credit or just want to be a better investor. My name is Lynn Morgan. I'm an author, investor, developer, and co-owner of the Real Estate Business School, where you get your license and learn to use it. This is the Learn to Use It part. I'll be your instructor for these 2 live Zoom classes. Stop hoping and start measuring, because you can't manage what you don't measure. Thank you, and I'll see you in class.